For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fix AMD Radeon software not opening on Windows 10 or 11. Let's go over to the steps. First, go to Windows logo on your desktop and right-click on it. In the pop-up menu, click on Task Manager. In here, click on the Details tab above. Simply locate the Radeon software and right-click on it. In the pop-up, choose End Processor 3 and simply confirm by clicking again on End Process 3. After that, right-click again on the Windows logo below and then click Run. In here, type this command, then click OK. Now open to AMD folder and simply delete the CN folder. After doing that, try to open the AMD Radeon software if it is now working. But if it's still not opening, then do this other method. Right-click again on the Windows logo below, then choose Device Manager. Double-click on the display adapters, then right-click on the AMD Radeon and choose Disable Device. Now let's wait for at least 10 seconds. And then right-click again. Then choose any device. After that, try to open the AMD Radeon software to see if the problem is now fixed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.